right, so this is yesterday's assignment, Term 1, Week 6, Day 1. It's listed on Monday. It's due today. Okay. A few things that I wanted to discuss with you. You're still using that checklist from our notes. Turn to problem number 4 on your packet. Okay, I've already rewritten the problem. I noticed a lot of minor mistakes yesterday whenever some of us had gotten to this problem. So first thing is there distributive property? Yes. We don't distribute this 6x. We distribute this 2. And you have to distribute the sign that's with it, right? So negative 2 times x and negative 2 times negative 5. You're going to treat it like it's a negative because you're taking each individual term. So now, bring down the 6x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 5, what is that? Negative times a negative is a, and 2 times 5 is, bring down the 46. Okay? Now, the next thing, so we did distributive property. Now, the next thing is we're going to check for combining like terms. Is there like terms over here? Yes, we have 6x minus 2x. They both have an x. So now we're going to combine like terms. When I combine like terms, you don't do inverse operations. You just add them together because they're already next to each other or on the same side as the equal sign. Okay, so what is 6x minus 2x? So 4x and bring everything else down. Okay, are there variables on both sides of this equation? Is there an x term over here on the right? There's not, so skip that step. The next step is to check to see what we need to add or subtract that's with the variable. So what are we going to do here? Opposites cancel, bring down your 4x. 46 minus 10 is 36. And our final step is to do what? Divide. So we're dividing by the value that is with the variable. So divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So x equals, what's 36 divided by 4? 9. I'll give you a second if you're still writing. Okay. Turn it over to question number 7. Okay, so if you look at this equation, you would start to ask yourself, do you need to do distributive property? And yes, we do see that we need to do distributive property. So we're going to distribute. We're going to take positive 3 times 2x and positive 3 times 21. Okay? Both of these are positive, so we don't have to worry about any signs changing. So 3 times 2x is, and 3 times 21, and bring everything else down. Now, because we distributed this, we're not going to rewrite the 3. It's already been multiplied. We just bring down that 4x. This is positive, so we need to add it. Bring down the negative 7. Okay? The next thing you're going to look for is, do I need to combine like terms? There's only one term over here, so there's nothing to combine here. But what about on the right-hand side? Yes. What are the like terms here? 4x and 6x. So what is 4x plus 6x? So now this is 10x, bring down the 63, and bring down the negative 7. Okay? Do I need to move the variable at all? No, there's a variable on by itself over here. There's not one over here, so we don't need to move it. So the next step is to check to see if I need to add or subtract. What am I going to be doing here? Okay, so we're going to do the inverse operation and subtract. These cancel, bring down 10x. Negative 7 minus 63. Negative 70. Be careful with your signs, don't drop that negative. And the final step, right here, to get x alone, I'm going to divide by 10. When you divide, you have negative 7 equals x. Okay? One final example, turn to number 10 on the very back, last page. I've already copied down my problem. Do we need to perform distributive property? Yes. We need to do it twice this time. So we're going to take 3 times y and 3 times negative 1. What is 3 times y? 3y. 3 times negative 1? Negative 3. Okay, and then we have this parentheses over here. I'm going to go ahead and just do it. So we have negative 2 times y and negative 2 times positive 3. So negative 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times 3, and bring down the 13. Okay. Next thing we ask ourselves is, do I need to combine like terms? Yes, there's actually quite a few like terms, right? Okay, so we have 3y and 2y to combine, and we have negative 3 and positive 6 to combine. 3y and 2y is 5y. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3. Okay, so we did combine like terms. Do we need to move our variable? No, there's not a variable over here. Okay, so then the next thing is we need to add or subtract. So what's going to be happening here? Okay, so now we're going to subtract. Subtract that 3 to get the y alone. 5y equals 10. And our last final step, divide. Divide by what's with the variable, so divide by 5. It is positive. So y equals 2.